I know it ain't Christmas, but it feels like it. What's up guys, TomTom from Star Racing here, and we got boxes. As some of you may know, the GT350R comes with carbon fiber rims, and although it's cool spec, a great thing to have, really light, good performance, a lot of people change out their rims on their GT350Rs because the carbon rims over time they get cracked or damaged from hitting a curb, sanding it, who knows, and they're expensive as fuck to replace, or you can't even repair it. So yeah, a lot of people, they just change them out. So I'm going the same route, and today we got a set of Apex rims and we're gonna wrap them into Nankang CR. So let's get into it. So the tires were difficult to find, but luckily the guys over at Phil's Tire Service in New York were able to hook us up with some Nankangs, because we've heard a lot of great things about these tires, and I really wanted to throw them on Shelby since we're looking to get away from our PS4s. Even though the tires were great to us and all the track days we've done up to this point, we're going with something a little bit stickier, a little bit more track based. Yes sir! Nankang CR-S, baby, let's go. We're going with a square setup this time. The Pilot Sport 4s on it right now are 315 in the back and 305s in the front, but we're gonna go 305 all the way around. It's just what they had. They didn't even have 315 Nankangs on their website. Maybe they weren't in stock, but they had 325s and 305s were the only options. So I was like, you know what, we'll just go square all the way around this time. But I've seen other guys run square setup for this, and these look just straight track beasts, bro. Like compared to that.
The trail in here?
Yeah.
Cannot take these out in the rain.
No. So that's a good point. These are gonna be more of like a dry weather tire. And then our Pilot Sport 4s, I was considering selling the carbon rims, but for now, until Apex hooks us up with another set, prefer the bronze set, because I love that bronze. The carbon fiber rims with the Pilot Sport 4s will be our wet weather, cold weather set for now. What do the kids do? Sheesh. All these bussin' for real, bruh. On God.
On God.
On God in them. Sheesh.
I love the smell of new tires.
What's better, new tires or new shoes? Or same?
Yeah, same. Different, but same.
But still same. Same, but different. Name that movie. Let's not have these roll away. That'd be cool. All right, these ones will be a little bit more tough. We're getting into the nitty gritty. These are gonna be the rims from Apex, pretty known brand, which is actually here in Pleasanton. I didn't know that until I started doing some research on them. But you see them on a lot of BMWs, a lot of 350s, and it seems like they're up and coming. It's not a paid sponsorship, by the way.
Not yet.
But it could be. Come on. Show me them already.
God.
Sheesh.
Got some deep dishes.
God damn.
Damn.
Yeah, they're just upside down.
How do they feel?
Light, bro.
Lighter?
Surprisingly light. That's crazy. I don't know about lighter than the carbon fibers, but because we don't have the tires mounted on them. But man, they feel light. And they match Shelby. Oh yeah, I think we got a winner, boys. I can't wait to see these babies on there. So these SM-10 rims from Apex, the rear wheel weighs 20.4 and the front rim weighs 20.8. And then these carbon fiber rims that are on the 350R right now weigh 18 pounds. So we gained a couple pounds, which is picking this up feels surprisingly light. But that's also because your boy, you know, saying strength training a little bit, you know. By the way, pay attention for a workout program we coming out from my boy Ricky. So
Nice.
that'll be coming up here soon too. But yeah, man, I'm super pumped. Can't wait to get them all mounted and on there, and we'll definitely be showing you guys that process as we get further into it. So stay tuned, you filthy animals. That's a big ass boy.